Hello YouTube, Salivate Metal here, with a presentation I like to call Numismatic Trifecta. In other words, 3 criteria to determine coin values. In this presentation, we're going to look at a modern example. But first, let's look at a recent example that contains all 3 wrapped in one. Perhaps you all remember the 2013 reverse proof Buffalo gold coin released by the US Mint. First of the trifecta is rarity. Rarity can be defined as that coin which has low mintage numbers, either issued by the mints in limited quantities, or it could be few in existence, which could be defined as many were released by the mint, but most were melted down or destroyed. Then the other criteria would be a few available to obtain. Perhaps they were hoarded or kept, and there's not many in the secondary marketplace. And as you can see right here, this is an example of all 3 of those. That is the $1 million gold coin, a very, very heavy, large gold coin minted by the Royal Canadian Mint. And at the time, it was the largest known coin in the world. And as you can see in this picture below, that it is very difficult to obtain and very difficult to lift. The second factor would be condition. And as you can see, the Sheldon scale of grading, a perfect coin, a coin that is 100%, is graded at no higher than a 70. So in this weird odd math, 70 does equal 100. So in other words, the condition of the coin, is it perfect? Or how good of a condition is it considering the mintage numbers? Is it the finest known example? And then for those coins that are very old, can you read it? Are there inscriptions? You'll find many cases where you'll see a case where a coin has a full liberty, or to be able to read some text or a date on the coin. It makes a vast difference. And the greatest of all can be seen in this coin here. Now this would probably be very, very sought after if it was in the marketplace, but this is the 1-ton gold coin from the Perth Mint, the Australian kangaroo. Beautiful coin here. So let's wait for it. Wait for it. Demand. That's right. Demand is where it's at. What kind of hype is behind the piece? Is the media, how does the media portray it? How available is it in the marketplace? Or what is being said about it on blogs, on YouTube, and the like? But more importantly, do you want it? If you are a collector out there and there is a coin that you want in your collection, it doesn't matter what other people will pay for it. If you want it bad enough, you will pay a high price for it. Then thirdly, the reputation of the coin. How is it perceived in the marketplace? Is it a coin that's highly sought after? And how has it been trending over the years? The coin's reputation. Let's take a look at a modern example. The 2009 Ultra High Relief Double Eagle Gold coin versus the 2012 Ultra High Relief Dragon Gold coin. Now, it's very interesting because on the APMEX website, which is one of the exclusive places you could buy the Ultra High Relief Dragon Gold coin, it is listed with that term Ultra. But nowhere is that Ultra word used on the packaging for the coin itself. So here we have the statistics. The 2009 Ultra High Relief Gold Double Eagle coin. And as you can notice here from the numbers, it had a relatively low issuing price. Now, as we know, gold was a lot cheaper back in 2009 than it is today. But nonetheless, there was some premium associated with it. And we can see here that the mintage numbers are relatively high for a coin that's so sought after, considering the secondary market is around $2,500. And that's a conservative estimate, because I've seen it go for a lot more, and that's raw and ungraded. Now let's take a look at the high relief gold lunar dragon. We can see here that the issuing price was much, much higher than gold bullion or the gold spot price. Very high issuing price, very, very low mintage numbers, and a secondary market value is much less than the ultra high relief gold double eagle coin in its raw, ungraded condition. So you can see there that there is a vast difference between the two, which means demand really conquers all, because that ultra high relief gold double eagle coin is much more sought after today than the dragon high relief coin. Now, there could be a myriad of factors as to why that is, availability and such as we've talked about before, but all of that comes together to determine numismatic value. I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.